I'm Sarah Cassins, your 31 gal. Thank you so much for joining us for another bags and beauty video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about traveling in a carry-on. So this is our new travel duffel. I have it here in black with a green C embroidered on it. It's got this nice shoulder as well as a crossbody option. I love this zipper compartment right here that undone. For all the little extras that you forget last minute, I really like using this section for my charging cord so I can get to them easily. There's also a D-ring in here for you to hook your keys because for some reason you never know what to do with them on a trip when you won't be going home for a few days. So I really like that. You could fit a pair of flats in here to keep your shoes separate. And then on this side, you have this bungee pocket. This is a great place to put your pair of tennis shoes. So just right there, you can do your flats and your tennis shoes and then wear your biggest pair of shoes. And you can pack everything else you need for the whole trip in this carry-on. Another feature on the outside of the bag that I like is our trolley sleeve. So this is the sleeve that goes around the handles of your rolling suitcase. So say you just want to pack the essentials in here, we're going for a longer trip, and you're bringing a suitcase, this is a great way to go through the airport with ease. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and two other essentials are inside that you will need for your trip. So this one is our modular toiletry case. You may have seen before a case that we've had that is called the Hain Traveler case, and they have a very similar silhouette, but different features inside. So I'm going to show you this new version's inside. We still have the Hain Traveler case if that's your style preference. And sometimes it really comes down to what color does it come in because you want to have a matching set. So both have this nice clear window here. You can see I have a couple pieces of jewelry and a hair tie in there. This one features this mesh pocket that's just a perfect size for a toothbrush case. And then this section here in the bottom that I've got filled with beauty products can come out and you can set it on the counter in the hotel. Sorry. Whoop. It slides right out and you can set it on the counter in the hotel and have access to all your necessities. So then this section here can just hang by this clip. You can see all the beauty and hygiene products in there. So it's really nice to be able to have that removable piece. That's why it's called modular. It's just two pieces. Or you could keep it all together just like that and hang it up either on the towel bar or in the closet at the hotel. So this is great, especially I really like taking out the piece and putting it on the counter for when you're sharing the room, maybe with some other ladies if you're going on a girls trip, because then you can keep all your stuff contained but also easy access. So I love that it's not taking up all that counter space. This is also going to be that's also a good solution for a dorm room. All right, next is our packing cubes. So we have packing cubes in 3 different sizes. So this is the small, and I have packed this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of winter socks. So just for an example, I usually use this small for all my undergarments that I need for the whole trip. Keep that in the small. Here you can see our drink embroidery. I put it green to be a margarita because I love margaritas. And next I have, this one is filled with 8 pairs of leggings. So if you can imagine, this is a great one to put your comfy t-shirts and your pajamas in, but I stuffed this one with 8 pairs of leggings just so you could see what it looks like full and how it fills up the bag. And then last but not least, we have our large. And this one I put 4 t-shirts and 3 bottoms. So it's got 2 pairs of shorts and a pair of long pants in here. So you can imagine this one for all your outfits for your trip. So if you're just doing a quick weekend trip, you can pack everything you need in this bag and do carry-on. On the inside of the bag, it's hard to see because it's black on black, but there is some more zipper pockets on the inside and even some mesh pockets to keep the inside organized. But I love filling it up with these 3 packing cubes and the modular case. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful trip coming up soon so you guys can use these. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more.